Hey friends, in this video, I am going to make it as easy as possible for you to link your Instagram to your Squarespace website. Now, as you can see here on my screen, I have my demo website up, and there are two core ways to do this. The first way would be if you just want a set of social icons on your site that you want to add to any page or your navigation, you could add that pretty easily, and let me show you how to do that now. So the first thing you'll do is go to settings, and then you'll go to social links. And then here you'll see that the Squarespace stuff is linked by default, but you could just click on that and then paste in your URL. So let me do instagram.com/ my username and then show. Perfect. And then you could add in the other ones. These I'm just going to remove. And then you could add in any other platforms you want. But now we've added that in, and you could also do this later, but I'll just do it now. So we have it. And then go into your page. Now, you could add this to your navigation. You could add it to any of your pages, all of your pages, and you could also add it to your footer as well. I'm going to start with the main navigation. We'll go into the header, and then we'll click Add Elements. And you'll see here, it says Social Links. Click on that, you'll see it is added our Instagram. And then if I actually click on this and click the pencil to edit, you'll see what is actually visible here, which is our Instagram. So if someone clicks on that, it'll take them to our Instagram page. And this is the same thing through your whole website. So if I go into any page and then go into blocks, as you can see here, and then I just type in social, you'll see social links. Here is the Instagram. You could customize it, change the design here, but we'll just leave it like that and I'll get rid of it. And then in the footer, if I go to edit footer, same thing. You could add a block and then just type in social, find the social link, it'll add in, and then you could place it where you want, customize it how you like, and have it on your site. That is the first way. And the second way is to actually have your latest content showing up on your website. Now, let me show you how to do that. So I'll just do add section, and then I'm just going to add in a blank section. Here I will hit add block. So you could do this anywhere on your site, and then I will type in the word Instagram. So you can see there's social links, which is what we used already, but now we're going to click on Instagram. I will click here, drag this across the page, and then I will click the pencil icon. From here, we'll get to work. So the first thing we're going to want to do is connect an account. So I'm going to choose add an account, and then it will say, okay, we got to log in. All right, so I'm already logged into Instagram on this computer, and basically you'll make it a professional account, and then from there you'll just continue with the process to link it. I personally don't need to do that, but once you have it, you'll see it show up here. It is really, really easy. And then from there, you could choose the number of posts that show up. But honestly, I would first go to design and choose the design you want. So in this case, I actually feel these are a little bit limited in terms of what they show as options, but I would probably do the standard vertical 2x3, because that is the size of most posts nowadays. You can crop it if you want. How many 4 per row, how much padding between, and then do you want it to lightbox, which basically means if they click on it, do you want them to preview it on that page? Or if they click on it, do you want them to go directly to Instagram? If you want them to go directly to Instagram, leave this off as it is now. But if you want to see the lightbox, check that. And then open links in a new window. Always, if you're sending someone to a different site, you want to open it in a new window. In my experience, having 1 row of 4 is probably the best to start here. It's not really showing it, and I'm not sure why. It's showing everything, but maybe it's because I don't have an account selected. But that's okay for now, and then I would just hit save, exit, and then you'll be good to go. Now, I know the design options here might not be exactly what you want, especially if your Instagram is a big part of your business, or there is a specific way you want to show your content. So as you can see here on my screen, this is a third-party plugin from Elfsight that is a great option and gives a ton of flexibility on how you could show your Instagram feed on your site. Because this is a third-party tool, there will be an extra fee to use it, but I'm going to link all the best ones in the description down below, including this one and other ones that I have found, so you can choose the best one for you. Overall, I do recommend Elfsight as one of the most robust and powerful, and it works across all devices. As you can see here, this is a profile widget. You have a grid option, you have hashtag, showcase, small widget, a post slider, dark theme, ton of options for you to choose from. Honestly, these top two are probably my favorite. Let's go back here, profile widget, and then this one right here. Both of these are really, really elegant to get started. Now, if you found that helpful, I have two more resources down below that are gonna help you that are completely free. The first one is if you sign up for an annual plan with the link down below and you use the promo code, you will get an extra 20 or maybe 25% off the annual plan. On top of that, if you are just getting started with Squarespace, I have something called the Scale Creative Wireframes template, which is the best place to start. It is where I start all the sites that I've built, over 300 websites on Squarespace, and you could get it for free today if you are a non-designer. If you're a designer and you want to use it for client projects, it's paid. But if you are a non-designer, it is completely free to use for your website. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.